This is something I'm trying to work on while I'm growing my YouTube channel, because a lot of people think growing a YouTube channel, you just have to post consistently in order to grow a YouTube channel. But then I'm coming to realize that growing a YouTube channel does not have to do with posting consistently. I would tell you that you could still post 50 videos in a day and you could still not perform well. I mean, suck really bad. Now, posting on YouTube does not reward quantity, rather YouTube rewards quality. I don't know if you get what I'm saying right now. YouTube does not reward quantity, it rewards quality. Now there's something that usually happens. If you post a video, probably one person can view your video. This is what YouTube algorithm actually does. By the time you post a video and one viewer watch your video, if that video is packed with content or packed with value, I mean sufficient value, YouTube algorithm will detect that this person actually stayed from the beginning of this video down to the end of this video. And probably a second person watched this video, the same thing happened. Third person watched the same thing, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the list goes on. Now, YouTube algorithm will detect that yes, with every person who watches this video, the person usually stays longer than expected. So YouTube algorithm now knows that yes, your video is packed with value and they would want to do you some good, and boom, you're going viral. So you should not underestimate the power of quality. Please, when posting videos on YouTube, make sure that your thumbnails, number one, I always recommend this, your thumbnails are attractive. Please make sure, do not try to create funny thumbnails or just create thumbnails anyhow you like, thinking YouTube algorithm will still try to put your videos with such low poor quality thumbnails. Make sure your thumbnails are enticing, even though after viewers click on your video, I mean probably your video background isn't that all good, but at least they got attracted. Why? Because of your thumbnails. You just don't use fancy thumbnails. Make sure that this thumbnails is what is passing, the right thing to the audience, so they know that this is what I'm actually looking for. This is the problem I'm passing through. And if I click on this video, I will be able to get the solution that they want to click on this video. Why? Because your thumbnails already, encourage that perspective that by the time they click on this video, this is what they'll be getting. And so they will all just be focused on clicking your videos and to get that solution. Now, yeah, if you're sucking in this aspect, you should do something about it. Okay, you think you can create thumbnails from scratch? Easy peasy. You could use Google Gemini, go over to ChatGPT. You could use Freepik. There are a lot of AI websites that creates thumbnails, that could create thumbnails for you. Okay, just make sure that you tell the text prompt what to do, and always make sure that whatever title you're using on YouTube, it is always checked so that they won't be, duplicate titles and YouTube thinks that you're trying to, duplicate others' videos. So this is something you should always take to heart. Now, like I said, that YouTube doesn't reward quantity, rather it rewards quality. And I think this is how this has to do with your watch time retention. That if people stay longer on your videos, YouTube tends to do what YouTube algorithm tends to put your video for that, because they know that your videos is packed with content and with value. So make sure that the first 1 minute, or if at all the first 50 seconds of your videos, in fact, is enticing, eye-catching, hooking, attractive, so that people would want to stay on your videos longer. And by the time people are staying on your videos longer, YouTube algorithm already detects that people are staying on this video longer than expected and they want to do some good to push your videos. Now you always take this to heart, and I say what to create this first impression is your thumbnails. Your thumbnails connect to this. Now, if you could create a well-managed thumbnails, it will connect to your watch time retentions, and YouTube algorithm will take it up from there and put your videos. Now, this is what I'm also trying to work on. I'll just try to make sure that my thumbnails are eye-catching. I try to make sure that at least the first 1 minute of my videos is enticing and eye-catching, so that viewers will want to stay to the end. Now, I would say have lagged in this area, and this is what I keep on trying to work on, to make sure that my videos are enticing and viewers will get hooked, and YouTube algorithm will try to probably do some favor. You should always remember that growth on YouTube doesn't come in just 1 day, 2 day, or even 1 month. Now, this is why I'm saying this. Now, it is true that people might come online on YouTube and probably in 90 days they're already monetized. You could probably go check out this channel, Princess Chiamaka. She made mention that her second channel got monetized in 90 days, and for enough, she wasn't even posting consistently on that channel. This to tell you that you growing on YouTube does not come from the amount of times you actually post on YouTube. It actually comes from the amount of value, the amount of creativity you're actually implementing on that video, that detects how you're going to go viral, or if you're going to still lag behind. It is true that you might be uploading and you might be getting just 4 views, and this is something that I always try to console myself with. Sometimes I would upload and I would get just 5 views, would get just 4 views, and it sucks really bad because everyone will want to see fast growth and rapid productivity. Now, on the other hand, try to remember that the YouTube algorithm is still trying to what to get used. Now, by the time you're uploading and probably you're getting 4 views, 5 views, 6 views, probably it could be 10, 20, and it doesn't exceed that. Now, this is something the YouTube algorithm is actually doing. The YouTube algorithm is trying to what? The YouTube algorithm is trying to collect evidence, and they're trying to test to see that yes, this person's channel is what is mainly focused on this particular niche, and this person keeps posting consistently about topics like this. This person usually posts topics containing this particular niche. Now, the YouTube algorithm might try to do you some favor and push your videos, and just like that, you're going viral. So, always remember that growth on YouTube does not take just 1 month, or it doesn't take just one day or 2 days. Just do not expect that you're going to upload a video today and come on. It's not magic you're trying to do here. You can't just create a video and expect the video to just hit 1 million views. It takes time, consistency, and please be in mind that you're trying to train the YouTube algorithm to get used to your content. You're trying to train the YouTube algorithm so that it knows how to react to your video. You're actually trying to train the YouTube algorithm so that the YouTube algorithm knows what to do efficiently to put your videos or how to react to your videos. Now, this is what I'm always trying to work on. Sometimes I will get so demotivated thinking I'm putting in the hard time, the effort, the creativity, and at the end I'm getting just 4 views, probably no views at all, and it might all be so mental blowing. But I always try my best to stay calm and. Of a truth, I've been on YouTube most today. Okay, you could probably go check the day I created this channel. I think it should be around January 14 or January 15. Yeah, not quite long. Now, this is not the only channel I have. Mind you, I've been also trying to get other channels monetized, but all to no avail. They always keep on sucking one way or the other. But I'm trying to be consistent on this channel, and I know that things that I'm trying to apply on this channel, I haven't applied them in those other channels, and I think that yes, those could also be one of the demotivating factors why those channels aren't really productive. Now, I'm trying to be productive on this channel. You see, so this is what you should take to heart. Do not just post random videos of yourself and thinking you would blow. Sometimes it can happen, but I'm trying to tell you what would work best for you in case you're saying, bad results or negative results. Always make sure that your videos are packed with value, and I would say probably one day YouTube algorithm might do us some favor. So this is what you can also do. Make sure that the titles you're using they are enticing. Like I said, it should be in connection with your YouTube thumbnails. Make sure that your titles are giving thumbs up so that everyone will want to even a kindergarten child will be interested in watching your videos. Okay, your hashtags. Now there's something you should also do too. People will go on YouTube and they are in how to grow your YouTube niche, and they are posting hashtag using Ronaldo, tagging Ronaldo and Messi. Now this is hurting your YouTube algorithm because your YouTube algorithm is getting so confused that you keep on confusing it. Today you are going to post cooking, tomorrow you're going to post how to make up, how to fix your hair, how to barb your hair. Come on, entertainment, wedding, inside how to grow your YouTube niche. You're watching the YouTube algorithm, and I could swear that you would stay on YouTube for up to 6 years, 7 years, and at the end you won't still make anything out of it. Why? Because the YouTube algorithm is always getting confused all the time because you're not feeding it with what it wants, so it would grow. You understand? So if you know that you are always confusing your niche, today you are posting about cars, you're posting about Ronaldo, you're posting about top celebrities, cooking, how to barb your hair, inside how to grow your YouTube niche. Just know that you are not ready. So if you know what's good for you, focus on one niche. This could also affect you, even when you're not changing niche, it could affect you. This is the reason why I'm saying so. You could be uploading your long videos on how to grow on YouTube. That's very, very good. That's very, very okay. Now, by the way, what do you upload on your shorts? Are you the type that will upload how to grow your YouTube on long videos and will come to your shorts and start uploading wedding anniversaries, cakes, Ronaldo, Messi, Beyonce, stuff like that? So, all these things they are hurting your channel. Now, you might be thinking that it doesn't matter, but it does matter. It does. Oh. So always remember that you should not mix your niches. Especially if you are uploading short and also uploading long videos, make sure that they are connecting. They are always connected so that you do not have two audience, because this is what actually happens to the YouTube algorithm. By the time you're posting two different niches, the YouTube algorithm get confused to the extent that it shows your videos to a particular niche, and it also tries to create another audience to show your videos to. Now this is what you have in one channel. You're having different audiences, so it won't be so effective if you keep on doing like that. So please, we need to be very, very careful, okay? So that at least if you're trying to scale up on YouTube, it shouldn't take more than at least if 1 year if at all. You've already getting monetized. So these are the little things. You might think this is little, you might think this doesn't matter, but it does. It really does matter. So make sure you take these things to heart and make sure that, in fact, you do not mess up with the YouTube algorithm. Because by the moment you mess up with the YouTube algorithm, it will not come at all. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm Belima Filia, and yeah, I try to share tips and insight on how you can grow your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video and you love every part of it, the only thing you could do right now to support is to subscribe. That's the first thing. Subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment on what you think about this video. Thank you. Bye.